Hello penny pickers, my name is Dehan and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 4 penny stocks to buy right now. Now, these ones are going to be on our radar after a slight pullback we saw with the market in the past few days. So let's dive on in and check them on out, guys. The first biotech penny stock on the list is going to be Atossa Therapeutics Inc. So one of the more interesting biotech companies of the past year or so is Atossa Therapeutics. We've talked about this one many times. It's actually one of my favorite penny stocks to watch, guys. So the company primarily works in the field of breast cancer treatment. However, in the past year, the company has transitioned many researchers into fighting the Rona-19. Specifically, the company is developing a compound known as the AT-301, a nasal spray used for those recently diagnosed with the Ronavirus. In an announcement made on February 25th, the company stated that it received the final results from a phase 1 clinical study regarding AT-301. The drug was very well tolerated by the patients and showed a high safety level. This is what the CEO of Atossa stated. The results from this study are very encouraging, and we look forward to quickly commencing the next study of AT-301. Quay went on to state that we recently received input from the FDA on this program, and based in part on that input, we are now prepared to conduct an additional preclinical study, which we expect to start this quarter. This is a big deal for Atossa and one that investors should have monitored. At the current time, AT-301 is one of the only drugs to treat the Rona that can be taken intranasally. Now, AT-301 works by blocking virus entry into the body. This means that it could be effective at both blocking and treating the Ronavirus in the early stages of the disease. Of course, it will take more time for this treatment to be researched to the full extent, but in the meantime, ATOS could be a penny stock to watch. So like always, guys, the ticker symbol is going to be ATOS. It was up about 4.5% today, currently trading at roughly at about $2.91, so right under the $3 area. And like we've mentioned many times, down here we had the previous support at the end of the year where it was trading at 86 cents. Volume was picking up, 5 to 10, even here hitting over 152 million shares traded in a single day. Right now we're trading between 5 and 10 million shares every single day. We continue to see the stock go up. So we saw it go from 90 cents all the way to highs of about $4.90. That's over a 400% gain right there. So massive gains on the stock. Continues to make higher highs. Obviously pulled back down, made another high, and then we saw this pullback now for the past few weeks. So we've been, looking at this one for a while now. It continues to pull back and, pulls back even harder. So we're going to be looking forward to it to bounce off of this, to not go lower than $2 per share. Because if it goes lower than about $2.40 per share, it could continue to fall that back down. So we're going to be looking for a bounce, and especially as we, progress through the stages of this drug, we want it to have some positive news for us, and hopefully that will help the stock pick up some more momentum. If we can get into the next stage, obviously that will definitely help with treating the Ronavirus and just helping this penny stock in general. But with this one, I'm going to give it a price target of $5 per share for 2021 and beyond. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about Atossa Therapeutics? And let me know what penny stocks are you guys trading right now. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys' support, so go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. I know you guys can do it. Also, we're so close to 21,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. If you guys want to join our community, go ahead and join my Patreon. That way you guys can get access to the Discord, where we alert penny stocks as they go throughout the day on our Discord chat. So go ahead and join that Patreon. And as always, get your 2 free stocks when you sign up with Webull today. They're going to be valued up to $1,600. So links are going to be in the description for that as well. The second penny stock on our list is going to be IsoRay Inc. So ISR is a penny stock that we've covered a handful of times on the channel through its subsidiaries. IsoRay is the only producer in the world of Cesium blue brachyuray therapy seeds. If you aren't familiar with this, don't worry. You're not alone. I have no idea what it is, but we're about to find out, right? To keep it short, this substance could have the potential to treat various types of cancers in patients. Because of this novel and breakthrough method, IsoRay has continued seeing heightened attention from all types of investors. A few weeks ago, the company announced its second quarter financials for the 2021. In this result, revenue shot up a solid 7% to $2.36 million. While the company did see a decline in the usage of some of its products, this is due solely to the impact of the Rona on medical visits. For the quarter, gross profits came in at 49.4%, which is only a slight drop from the 50.4% it brought during the previous year, same quarter. Now, the CEO of IsoRay stated that we are very pleased that we have been able to continue to make progress this quarter despite the ongoing challenges of the Rona pandemic. has presented. Amongst the highlights has been our continued success in expanding adoption of cesium-131 in our core prostate market. At the end of the quarter, the company reported $9.5 million in cash on hand with zero debt. This is quite important to investors to consider, as most biotech companies have sizable debt amounts on the books. Lastly, IsoRay recently completed a public offering for roughly $51.75 million. This is huge, so they have cash on hand right there to go ahead and reinvest it into the company to get these deals going through quicker and quicker. So though shares of ISR pulled back from their heights, the overall trend for the year remains very bullish. Since the start of 2021, ISR stock is up over 80% so far, so it's been on fire right now. Ticker symbol ISR, this one was up about 7%, currently trading at $1.46 per share. End of 2020, the stock was down here about 37 cents, 40 cents per share. Then we saw some huge volume in January right here. 259 million shares traded. The stock went from 53 cents to highs up here of over $1. It was about $1 and 70 cents, almost $2 actually at one point. So it made about a 300+% gain in a matter of a day right there with some huge volume. Then we saw a slight pullback down to about $1.35, and then the stock continued to move on higher and higher all the way up here to highs of $2.81. Now obviously share dilution is a thing that we always have to worry about when companies is raising money, so that's what happened here. We saw pullback all the way down here to $1.40, $1.30 actually. We bounced off of it, but right now volume is pretty decent. We're trading between 10 and 50 million shares every single day, depending on what type of day it is and if any news comes out on that certain day. But right now, what we're going to be looking forward to is for this one, it bounced off of this area. We did not need it to go lower. If it would have went lower to about $1 or lower, it could have broken through and kept on diving lower. Now we're very, very happy that it bounced off of that area and continued to trend up. Now we're going to be looking forward to build a support area around this $1.40, $1.50 area. If it can consolidate here and build a support for the next few weeks or next few months and then trend on higher, that's going to be a positive sign for us and climb on back higher all the way to our 52-week highs like we were in the previous time. So what we're going to be looking forward to with this one is to reach $3 per share by the end of 2021. So over 100% gains are, that's going to be my price target personally. So let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about ISR? The third penny stock on the list is going to be Celsion Corp, which is another one we've talked about many, many times. So this one, similar to Atossa, Celsion has transitioned many resources into producing treatments for the Rona. This includes immunotherapies such as the nucleic acid vaccine it's producing to combat the Ronavirus. Aside from its Rona treatment, the company produces Gen 1, Thermodox, and others to treat various types of cancers, including ovarian cancer. About a week ago, the company announced that it had received FDA Fast Track designation for its Gen 1 compound. The goal of this is to treat various types of advanced stage ovarian cancer. Gen 1 was produced using the company's proprietary nanoparticle drug delivery platform known as the TheraPlas. Now, the CEO of Celsion stated that the Fast Track designation is an important step in developing Gen 1 for advanced ovarian cancer. Presuming the encouraging data we are generating in early clinical studies continues, this designation supports an exhibited path to the market. Now, additionally, the company has also announced the formation of a vaccine advisory board to use its TheraPlas platform to create a vaccine for the Ronavirus. Both of these pieces of news present investors with an exciting roadmap for the future of Celsion. One thing to keep in mind is that CLSN is both highly volatile and speculative. The penny stock jumped big during the pre-market hours but pulled back during Thursday's session. Even with this as the case, CLSN stock maintains trading levels much higher than they were at the beginning of this year. So ticker symbol CLSN, this one was down about 2.5%, trading at around $2.20. We can see with this one, it was, trading high last year when the Ronavirus started to boom. Then we saw, all the way down here around 50 cents, but we continued to trend on higher, and volume also picked up towards January going into February. So we went from 50 cents all the way up here to highs of about $3. So that's about a, 400+% gain. Now volume, we've had days here with 165 million, 339 million, but usually we trade between 5 and 10 million shares every single day, depending on what type of news we have. But right here, patterns. So patterns, we see it overbought right here, came back down, consolidated, pulled back up again, and then pulled back down on a overbought area again and jumped on up. So what we're seeing here is higher highs and lower lows. So the highs are getting higher and the lows are getting lower. So it's kind of like a wedge area you're going to see trending on up. So this one could easily get to $4 per share, but we're going to give it a price target of $5 per share for 2021 and beyond. So hopefully we can get to that. That's going to be my price target personal. And last but not least, the fourth penny stock to end the week is going to be Titan Pharmaceuticals Inc. So another one we've talked about many times. So this one's going to be a biotech penny stock as well. So Titan works in a large range of fields, including chronic condition treatment and medicine delivery. This includes drugs produced using its proprietary and clinical proven platform known as Proneura. This technology allows for the continuous and long-term drug delivery that could improve patients' lives dramatically. At the beginning of the month, the company published early studies for its JT-09 Proneura-based substance. In the data, the compound is showing positive results. This substance is in development to treat moderate to severe arthritis in individuals. In combination with Proneura platform, this drug could deliver a consistent stream of medicine to the body for up to 6 months or longer. This is what the Dr. B.B. Devarney, COO of Titan, stated, that these additional early positive data provides strong support for us to move forward with our planned non-clinical proof of concept study of JT-09 Proneura implants in this animal itch model. This is an important next step to Titan towards developing a new treatment modality for moderate to severe chronic pruritus that is effective, patient-friendly, and convenient. So TTNP is going to be the ticker symbol. This one was down about 5% almost today, trading at $3.34. So we see right here, we had a stock split, 1 for 30, right here on December 1st, 2020. And we see the stock was trading down here about $3 per share pretty much throughout December and the rest of, the beginning of January and February. So now we see it slowly try to trend on up here to about $4, and we saw a pullback again. But we're trading a decent amount of volume, around 1 to 5 million shares, with certain pops here of about 16 million, and then right here 15 million shares depending. We're at this support. We're hoping to stay at this support level and then break on through. If we can break through the $5 area, we can definitely continue to run on up. So what we're going to do is give this one a price target of $5.50 for 2021. With some more potential and some good data throughout 2021, we could definitely see Titan continue to move on higher and higher. So let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think about Titan? Do you think this penny stock is worth it or not? And as always, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the list of 4 penny stocks that we had on today after a slight pullback that we saw in the market overall. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Leave a comment below. What penny stocks are you buying right now? And as always, if you guys want to sign up for Webull, links in the description. Get your 2 free stocks when you sign up today. Join our Patreon for Discord alerts. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. So before investing into any stocks, especially penny stocks, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before investing. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.